Díagcuimh cardia, Gormagah has Kurt a hort ar Malachanach Facebook Gaeilge, Learning Irish with a Sarley. Tasúlagam go bhfuil sibh go maith. San is an seo béimid a fécinn ar Google Translate. Hello friends, thank you for visiting my Irish language Facebook page, Learning Irish with a Sarley. I hope you are well. In this video we'll be looking at Google Translate. The best way to get it, I find, is to just put up your browser and then put into Google search folklore, which is the Irish word for dictionary. It would normally have a fada on the second O, as you can see there, a fada on the second O. And that would, if we pressed enter then, that would give us the Irish language dictionary folklore, which is a fantastic dictionary. But for now we want to bring up the Google Translate, so we'll just put folklore without the fada, and then bingo, we get Google Translate. Now let's switch it round so we have English on the left hand side, and let's try a few phrases like Google Translate is much better for Irish than it used to be. And that gives us to Google Translate I wad níos fearr don Gaeilge ná mar a bhíc. Now that seems pretty good to me. I mean, I've only got basic Irish really, intermediate at best, but that looked pretty good. Let's try some standard phrases like, would you like a cup of tea? Or while at cup on tea? That's very good. I can vouch for that one's right. I would like a cup of tea, but while I'm cup on tea. That is also correct. Let's try some other ones that are a little bit off. I tried this one earlier, I thought it was quite fun, and it does sort of have it. Can't buy me love. Ní féidir gra a cheannach dom. I think that's pretty good. How about this? It's a long way to Tipperary. Is ballach fada e go Tibridaran. Is ballach fada e go Tibridaran. Now let's just do a quick check. We'll copy and paste Tibridaran. Tibridaran is loganum punk ie. Punk is just the word for dot. So loganum punk ie is a fantastic website that gives you all the place names in Ireland in Irish. We'll press Gaeilge up the top there. Now we see Balaclia, Lochgarman, Port Lariga, Limnock, Gaillimh, Tralee. So all the names are there. And I noticed actually when I just typed that in, that comes up pronunciation too. So let's have a quick look at that. Pronunciation, and that brings us to this fantastic website, which is Changlan or Tangalan. And we see we've got the three main dialects here. Tibridaran. Let's have a listen.
Tibridaran.
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 Or the Munster dialect.
Tibridaran.
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 Tubrid.
Tibridaran. Tibridaran.
Tibridaran. See, Ulster.
Tibridaran.
Tibridaran. Now let's just quickly just put in Tanglan and see if they give us a pronunciation of that. Or Changlan. No match is found. You see, let's write to the website. Hey, we need to know how to say it. Let's go back to folklore anyway. So here we go, back to our folklore. And what else do we have? Let's try the old classic. Every Irish school kid knows this phrase. Do I have permission to go to the toilet? A bhfuil caragam dul go daon líras. Right, all you guys know that one. Bhfuil caragam dul go daon líras. So as you can see, it's pretty good. The problem I did notice with it is with things like Irish. If you wanted to say, "Are you Irish?" meaning nationality, you know, ethnicity, it actually comes up with Irish as in the Irish language. And I noticed this earlier, and I did write to Google Translate. Hopefully they'll update that. It must be very difficult. It's an incredible feature, this. So, see, the phrase they've given us there is "An bhfuil Gaeilge good." Do you speak Irish, that means. But if we put "an" before Irish, then it's clear it means Irish person. And then suddenly it comes up with the right phrase, which is "Éireannach." An éireannach tú. Are you Irish? An éireannach tú. So yeah, this is pretty good. I think, especially for beginners, you have to research it with using the dictionary, the proper folklore dictionary, and Changlan. If you research, mix between Google Translate and these others, you should be able to come up with a pretty good conversation. So, well, that was fun. I hope you enjoyed Tasolagum go win to Tanavas. See, that looks good to me so far. Enjoyed the video. Anishan. Tanavas Anishan. Again, that looks pretty good to me. Grammar wise, that looks okay. Tasolagum go win to Tanavas Anishan. I'm pretty sure that's it. Okay, well, bye for now. Slán go fóill. Thanks very much, folks. I'll see you later. Bye.